Okay, so this plant right here is called horse nettle, also known as Solanum carolinense. This plant is native to the eastern United States, definitely the southeastern United States. Further north, it's kind of debated, but regardless, it's the same continent, and it does grow further north. And of course, it's not really truly invasive because it's the same continent. There's lots of things to control it: native diseases, native insects, animals, blah blah blah. Anyway, you can see it's a beautiful plant native to the US. Here's its flowers. Interestingly, it seems to really open its flowers early in the morning and kind of earlier in the day, and then by like late afternoon starts to close them. So that's kind of interesting. But yeah, this is a wonderful native plant. It's perennial. It can grow in almost any soil, from heavy clay to full sandy soil to gravelly soil even. It can grow in drier or wetter soil, and it benefits a lot of insects. Apparently, it benefits like 32 species of insects, and I don't even know if that's counting pollinators, but the bumblebees absolutely love the flowers, and it is a beautiful native tough plant. And the fruit are not edible, but they look like tomatoes because it is in the Solanaceae family. They look like yellow tomatoes. They are edible for a lot of wildlife though, just not humans. Things like wild turkey, wild quail, apparently ducks, I think skunks too. There's a bunch of animals that can eat it. And yeah, they're super easy to grow from seed. The seeds don't need cold stratification, so you can just go ahead and plant them and they will grow the same year that you plant them. You don't have to worry about putting them in the fridge or any of that. So they're really easy to grow from seed, and the fruit are really beautiful. And the yellow tomato-like fruit that appear after the flowers in like kind of fall-ish, those have a beautiful yellow color, and they'll actually, if no animal eats them, they'll actually stay on there the whole winter because they're really tough fruits, and they'll add a lot of beautiful yellow winter color. So this plant is really good almost year-round. It adds something to your garden to look at, and like I said, it benefits a lot of wildlife, a lot of insects. It's also deer and rabbit resistant because of these thorns right here, and the leaves are also toxic to them. Again, they're toxic to them, but they are edible for some insects like the potato beetle. Yeah, you can see here's the beautiful flower. There's some more. They are just beautiful, beautiful leaves, beautiful flowers. One of my favorite native plants, super underrated. If you want something that's tough, perennial, these are also actually very cold hardy. These can survive down to like zone 4, so these are very cold hardy too. They're also tough to heat and drought. So if you want a tough native plant that benefits a lot of wildlife, that looks beautiful, this is a great one. It's super underrated, but it is one of my favorite native plants. Definitely should be planted more. It will spread slowly by rhizome, by basically roots underground. But yeah, pretty cool.